We've already made rice, so let's just jump into it. Hello, I'm your college cook. Now, we've already made some red rice together. So now it's time to make some white rice too. This is very similar to making red rice, so I hope you enjoy this one too. Your first step is going to be cutting some onion, which I don't have. Instead, this time I'm going to use some minced onion. To show you don't need to have onion, you just want to have the onion taste in the rice. Of course, having onion will make it taste better and is recommended, but you know, you work with what you got. Grab 1 cup of rice. Oh, and that's the last of it. Gotta add rice to my grocery list now. Wash the rice thoroughly. Place it to the side, wait for later. Go ahead and grab your pork pot and set it to about medium. Add in your vegetable oil. Now you would add the onion here, but again, I don't have any. Plop in your rice and start to stir. Stir until slight color change. Add about 1.5 cups of water. For flavor, drop in some chicken flavor bouillon, and then the minced onion I mentioned earlier. To differentiate the white rice and my red rice, I'm gonna add some frozen vegetables. You don't have to. Well, it's a preference thing. Some people add it to the red rice. Some people don't add it at all to any rice. This is completely based on your preference. In my house, it was always red rice, no vegetables, white rice with vegetables. Once the water begins to boil, put a lid over it, lower the heat to its lowest temperature, and let it cook for about half an hour. Once half an hour is up, remove it from the stove and remove the lid. Look at this beauty. Stir around to fluff it up. Again, you don't need to. I just like doing this. I'm actually going to eat this with some fish that I show you how to cook on Friday. Delicious. This is just really good. Not much to say. It's really good. Rice works with anything, and this is really good. Honestly, I hope this video helped you out. Even if just a little bit with making some white rice. Pretty similar to the red rice, so it was really easy to make. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.